So the next topic what we are going to learn is about alum. Alum, the name alum is given to the double salt formula K2SO4 Al2SO4 thrice 24H2O. It is called as potassium, aluminium sulfate. Generally, the alum, it's a double salt. Generally, the alum's formula can for all the double salt. The general formula is M2 dash SO4, M2 double dash SO4 thrice 24H2O. M dash is univalent. M double dash is a trivalent metal ion. So some examples we can see based upon this general formula. Potash alum, one of the best example is potash alum, K2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice 24H2O. The other one is sodium alum. The other one is ammonium alum. The other one is chrome alum. Formulas also we can write Na2SO4, sodium alum Na2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice 24H2O. Ammonium alum NH4 twice SO4, Al2SO4 thrice 24H2O. Chrome alum K2SO4, Cr2SO4 thrice and 24H2O. Based upon this general formula, we can write these alums. So alum in general more soluble in hot water than in cold water, and in solution they exhibit the properties of the constituent ions. Now preparation, only one preparation and only a few properties preparation. Now this alum formula K2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice 24H2O prepared from alunite or alum stone. Formula K2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice 4AlOH thrice. Difference between alum and alunite is only this one. Instead of this 24H2O in alum. Now this alum stone first treated with excess of sulfuric acid, H2SO4, excess of sulfuric acid. So the aluminium hydroxide part here, this is converted to aluminium sulfate. This is the first step. Second step, a calculated quantity of potassium sulfate is added. K2SO4, potassium sulfate is added. And the solution is crystallized to generate potash alum. So at last we are getting the alum. Alum is got. It is purified by recrystallization. So writing the reaction K2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice 4AlOH thrice alunite or alum stone, first treated with sulfuric acid So it breaks into K2SO4 plus Al2 SO4 thrice plus 12H2O and balancing. Now this potassium sulfate is added, giving potassium sulfate, aluminum sulfate with some water molecule. At last we are getting K2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice, 24H2O. Thus alum is prepared. Now some of the properties. It is a white crystalline solid. It is also used as a medicine. In many houses, this alum is kept in front of the house. திருஷ்டிக்குன்னு மேலே வச்சுருப்பாங்க நிறைய வீட்டில், என்ட்ரன்ஸில் கட்டி வச்சுருப்பாங்க இந்த ஆலமை. In many houses. It is soluble in water, insoluble in alcohol. The aqueous solution, when treated with water, it is acidic due to hydrolysis of aluminum sulfate. It melts at 365 Kelvin on heating. So when this alum, when treated with 475 Kelvin, when heated at 475 Kelvin, it loses the water of hydration, loses the water and swells up. The swollen mass is known as, after losing water, the swollen mass is known as burnt alum. At 475 Kelvin, it loses the water and swells up. That swollen mass is called as burnt alum. Now heated to red hot. So when heated to red hot, decomposes to potassium sulfate, alumina and sulfur trioxide. That reaction only we are going to see now. So alum, K2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice, 24H2O. When heated at 475 Kelvin or 500 Kelvin, it loses its water of crystallization, all the water. So K2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice plus this water molecule is removed. So this is called as burnt alum after swelling up. Then this one, K2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice at red hot, broken into potassium sulfate plus alumina, Al2O3 plus sulfur trioxide, 3 molecules of sulfur trioxide. Now this is one of the property. Second property, potash alum, K2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice, 24H2O treated with ammonium hydroxide NH4OH, giving K2SO4, potassium sulfate, ammonium sulfate NH4 twice SO4, water molecule plus 24H2O plus aluminum hydroxide AlOH thrice, 3 molecule. There are also 3 molecule. This is another property on treating with aluminum hydroxide. On treating with ammonium hydroxide forms aluminum hydroxide. Some of the uses, it is used for purification of water, then it is used for waterproofing textiles, waterproofing and textiles. It is used in dyeing, paper, leather tanning industries. Then it is employed as a styptic agent to arrest bleeding. Everything clearly given in book page number 40.